This is the 1988 Sea Ray 340. This boat does come with a trailer, but it's more of a yard type trailer. Does have an anchor and a spotlight. Comes with fender holders. Does have full camper canvas as well. Shore power. This is direct drives. Does have trim tabs and a platform on the back. You do have a ladder as well. The trailer is a triple axle. Let's hop up into the boat and take a peek at the interior. Stepping up into the cockpit, you have a full rear bench, as well as a sink. On the port side, you do have forward and aft facing loungers. This boat does have twin 7.4s. You got a canvas screened mesh for going down into the boat's cabin. That way you can let the breeze in. There's your dash. Port side engine has 1,335 hours. And the other one has 1,306 hours. We have a CB radio, driver's seat. Let's jump down into the cabin and take a look. Starting down in the cabin, we do have a full bed. We do have a TV. We do have an older style TV with a VCR as well. This would be your closet. You have a table that folds down into a secondary bed. You do have a full range, including coffee maker, stove, fridge. You do have a microwave as well, sink, a couple cutting boards. You do have full tabletop with an ice maker as well. A full electrical panel. You do have a stereo. You do have a full curtain for your bed area. And this was the 1988 Sea Ray 340. Brought to you by SkipperBud's of Madison. Thanks.